Why you lingo, Sipho? Eh? Eh? Are you that hungry? Letting go. Ah, mama. Sipho. Oh, sorry. Hey, Nana. Good morning. Good morning. Can I get a hug? Morning. How are you today? Hmm? How is the morning? Lala kanjani, mama? Hmm? How was your night? How was your night? You look so nice and fresh. Eh? You ready for the day? Hmm? Morning. Good morning. Morning, Sipho. How are you today? Siyesibhedlela today. Yakhumbula? Mhla 21 namhlanje. Siyesibhedlela. Nqonqa. Yeah. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning, Sipho. Good morning, Sipho. Kade uvukile? Yes. Yes, we're going out today. Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Lale kanjani mama? Good morning. You ready? Ready to start the day. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Hey, Sipho. It's a good morning. Ikuvususa lele yazi ngavula isicabha sakho. You're still enjoying ubuthongo. Aski, Sipho. Sorry, mama. Are you ready? Ongekeke kancane. Good morning. Are we going to have a good day today? Zotin.